Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I am back with my little annual Sephora sale haul. Do they do it biannual? Semi-annual? They do it twice a year, I think, if not 3 times a year. Anyway, depending on your tier, you get a percentage off. And I used to work for Sephora, so I love these sales. It's a fun time to restock on products that you love or are excited to try out. So I tried for the first time the order and pick up in store. So I ordered this on the first when the day the sale launched. Like, I had my cart stocked, and then I just did pick up in store in West Village, and it was so convenient. I did walk through the store because they were taking forever to get my order. But it was so much nicer because normally I either will shop in person or I'll order online. So it was nice to just kind of have a mix of both. So I share what I got. Not a ton of makeup, but a lot of new products, new to me, that I've never tried. So let's dive in, if we will. I'll have all the sale details in the description box down below, but I'm pretty sure the sale is open to everybody. The sale is open to everybody as I'm posting this today. So the first thing I got was the Salt and Stone Centel Vetiver deodorant. I was looking for the Donna Karan Cashmere Mist, but couldn't find it. So I'm excited to try this. I think I heard a lot of y'all say that you liked this one. It's got mixed reviews, I'm not gonna lie. But I'll try this out, and if I don't like it, then I can return it and get the Donna Karan, which I love, but I have a full stick of that still. So I didn't absolutely need it. Next is actually a repurchase, but it's been a minute since I've had this actually. And I don't know as I've had this like newer container, newer formula. I hope it's not changed. This is the Dr. Jart. No, I've had this before. Dr. Jart Ceramide Skin Barrier Moisturizing Cream. One of my favorite moisturizers of all time. It's like straight shea butter with ceramides, panthenol. It is the most hydrating, rich, creamy moisturizer of all time. It's very pricey for just a hydrating moisturizer. There's nothing crazy in terms of like anti-aging or anything like that, but it's just a really good cream if I've overworked my skin or my skin is just dry and irritated from winter, whatever it is. This is a lifesaver, and I actually did not have this last year, but I picked it up this year, and I'm excited to have it back. Okay. Next, I tried 2 products from the In Beauty line, which I have had 2 before. I tried their vitamin C, their green machine, or greens, whatever it was, not a fan. And then I tried their body exfoliator type thing. It's like a cream, and I really like that. But these have been going off everywhere. So this is the In Beauty Firming Extreme Cream. Firming and lifting moisturizer. You guys will see, I pick up a lot of skincare. I like skincare. I'm obsessed, okay? So this is supposed to be like, people are calling it a dupe for the Augustus Bader cream. I don't know. I've never tried that because, well, I've tried samples of it. I've never bought the full thing, and I never will because it's just stupid expensive. One thing I will say about this is it's huge, right? But it is the same fluid ounces as this little guy, so be aware of that. The one thing that is cool about In Beauty though, they offer refills. So this is the container that's glass that you get to keep forever, and then this is all that you get inside, so keep that in mind. It's still more affordable than the Dr. Jart though, and it does a lot more things. So it's this luxurious moisturizer leaves skin instantly nourished, glossy, and glowing while visibly lifting, firming, and smoothing lines and wrinkles. Intense hydrations. It has bioretinol, peptides, and 3 ceramides. So I'm super excited to give this a go. Again, it comes in a pump, and you do get a discount when you buy the refills, which is kind of nice. So I'm excited to give that a go, and like I said, I've heard phenomenal things about it. Let's just put everything up here. Next up, I have the Elastic Skin from In Beauty. This is their firming plumping serum with copper peptides, vegan growth factors, and phytomucin. So this is supposed to be a vegan snail mucin. Did I say that? No, I don't think I did. So I'm excited to give this a go. I still have a peptide serum from Good Molecules, and I still have a CosRX snail mucin. So I'm going to use that up and then get into this. But again, same kind of thing. This is 1 fluid ounce. So this is a serum, not a cream. But I'm excited to see some results with this guy. I don't know. I think that their line is kind of more affordable for all that it does, but it's still pricey, but I'm excited to try that stuff. So that's it for that. Next, I got the Dr. Jart 10 Mask Mega Mix. I always get one of these. I love them. I typically, over the last couple years, have only bought like a crap load of the Ceramidin sheet mask, which is my favorite sheet mask of all time. The Dr. Jart Ceramidin line is my favorite of all time. But these are just so good. If you have dry skin, like I'm talking dry skin, you will instantly notice a difference when you take this off. It's phenomenal. But they also give you a bunch of others, so you get 2 of those. I want to say you used to get a lot more masks, but they probably downgraded their amount that they do. You get the Pore Remedy Purifying Mud Mask. You get the Dr. Jart Soothing Hydro Solutions Pro, which is balance and strengthens. 2 of those. You get 2 of the Vital Hydration Solutions, which glows and plumps. And then you get 1 of the Intensive Soothing Repair Mask, the Cicapair, which is good for redness and whatnot. So you get those. And then these, which these are like, I want to say like $15 by themselves. These are the Cryo Rubber masks. This is the soothing one, and this is the moisture mask. These are like a rubbery mask that you put like an ampoule underneath, and it just seals in. So good. If you don't want to spend something like this on this, they make a really amazing like silicone mask that's reusable on Amazon, and you can put whatever serum you want underneath it, which is awesome as well. But these are really good. So that whole pack, I want to say, was $70 plus the 20% off. So I think it's a fun time to like stock up on masks because I like masks. Okay, next up, this is a repurchase of, I don't even know how many years I've repurchased these or how many bottles I have repurchased of this. This is the Benefit Professional Setting Spray, my favorite setting spray of all time. Just blurs the makeup seamlessly. If you're someone who just like throws on makeup and like you're good but you're not great at like blending, whatever, like you do, but this just blends in everything. It just kind of like puts this like, I don't know, it's not mattifying, it's not glowy, it's just skin-like. And it's my favorite setting spray of all time. Alright, coming to the end here. I decided to try Crown Affair. I had never tried Crown Affair, and I was just gonna get their dry shampoo, but they had this kit which was like $2 more, $3 more, and it came with a scrunchie, a brush, and a leave-in conditioner because the brush comes with the powder. But I've never tried Crown Affair. I'm excited. If you've tried the mask, let me know, like their treatment mask. I'd be interested to try it. Oh, this is huge. Wow, that's a lot bigger than I thought it was. So I thought this would be nice for traveling. Oh, I like that the brush actually fits in there too. Okay, it's a little bit bigger because of that. So you like dab it in. I don't know, I'm excited. It's giving baby powder, but I'm excited to try it out and see how I like it. And then their leave-in conditioner is so highly rated on Sephora. So I got the mini, like this one's 1.7. I don't think this one's the normal size, but I'm excited to give it a go. I love the leave-in conditioner that I'm currently using from Unite, but I'm always down to try some new ones. And then the little silk scrunchie, which I like sleeping with these at night. So there's that. Next, I got a refill of the Lawless, forget the filler, overnight lip plumbing mask. I've gone through more of these than I can count. I think the Sweet Dreams is probably my favorite just because it's neutral and I don't know, it's not overpowering. It's just like a sweet, but like candy kind of thing, but nothing overpowering. This is the best mask if you, like, I don't know how to say it. It says forget the filler, whatever. I have very fine, small lips, especially my top lip. But when I put this on at night, I feel like when I wake up in the morning, it doesn't tingle plump, but it just like fills your lips with like hydration. I think it's a humectant. But I love this stuff. I can wear this with, if I have chapped lips, I can put it on if I don't have chapped lips. Like sometimes I used to have to like switch between different products. If you've been like a Laneige, whatever sleeping mask, try this one. It's so much better. And you don't need a lot. Like a little bit goes a really long way and it's so freaking hydrating. Next up, this is a repurchase but from years ago. This is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the color Fussy. I love this color. It's like a pinky, shimmery, bronzy kind of color. The Fenty glosses are everything. They're like, they smell good. They are not sticky, but they last on your lips. I love them. So picked up that. And then the last thing I picked up is the House Labs Skin Concealer. I'm in the color 14 Light Peach. This is my perfect concealer, truly. I feel like this has replaced the days of when I used to wear Shape Tape all the time, because this is perfect color for me. First of all, they have an amazing shade range. I can wear this with makeup as full coverage, or I can just wear it with like sunscreen or just moisturizer to like spot conceal. It blends in perfectly. It's full coverage, but seamless, hydrating, it's everything. I already have one, but I just knew that I wanted another one. And I used to do that with the Kosas concealer. The Kosas concealer used to be my favorite, but now I just can't find a color that truly matches my skin tone. I could see it on my skin. You know, when you like cover a blemish or something like that, and then you like look in yourself in the mirror and you're like, oh, that did not blend. Either it oxidized, I don't know what it was, but it just looked like I was wearing concealer, where this does not. I bought this when we went to Alaska, what was it, last September when it first launched, and I'm just so impressed with it. So I picked up another one, so I wasn't out of it. So that is everything that I picked up from the Sephora sale. Not crazy, but I mean, a decent amount of stuff. There are a couple of other things on my list. So sound off if you've tried them or if you recommend them. What are they? They are the Makeup Forever like kohl liners. I was thinking about trying the light one for like highlighting things, and I was thinking of trying a brown one for my like liner that I do on my top line. So I don't know, if you've tried them, let me know. I love their lip liner in Wherever Walnut, but that is it, you guys. That is everything that I picked up from the Sephora sale. If you're shopping and you have some good recommendations or think I would like to try something, let me know in the comments down below, because I always think it's fun. But these are products that I'm super excited to try, a couple new ones. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Happy shopping. Like I said, I will have everything linked in the description box down below, but don't feel pressured to buy a bunch of stuff just because it's 20% off. 20% off, or even if you have 20% off, is not that big of a discount, and a lot of sites do larger discounts. So it's about the ease, as well as like shopping all in one spot and not having to pay for shipping, because shipping is the death of me. But either way, it's fun. I love sharing with you guys what I pick up every year. So I love you guys so much. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in my next one very, very soon.